We all know vaccine hesitancy exists, right? But it also exists within healthcare workers. Thousands in Ohio refused to take it in January.
A month later, we met two who are now changing sides, getting both doses in Springdale. They told WCPO 9 News reporter Larry Seward about their turning point.
Real old, man.
Ronald William jokes all the time, but at 65, he and fellow home health care worker NATALIE Johnson.
I missed my last year's birthday. I spent it in the house by myself, cooked my own dinner. This year, I want to be out somewhere and I want somebody to cook for me.
Have simple dreams the vaccine they almost skipped might bring to life.
I was scared because of what they say the side effects are. We don't get the same type of health care as everybody else. One time I was in the hospital, couldn't even hardly stand, and every time I stood, I passed out, but I still got sent home.
It's too much history of disparities. I've experienced it firsthand. I'm a veteran. I was a medical specialist in the Army. There's a particular hospital that I go to. I'm not going to make reference to the name. I went in with an elevated temp. The nurse communicated, she tried to minimize. Oh, that's not an elevated temp. I said, wait a minute, man.
We have to find it in our hearts to step above. People are dying. I know probably 10 people who have passed, so I just was determined. I'm not going to let oppression stop me from taking care of my health. I'm just not going to do it.
Initially, I was hesitant, but I stayed in tune. I did my research, consulted with people, professionals, got feedback, facts. Then I had to proceed and come in.
The first location I came to, I was first in line that day. And I was there for like 2 hours, and long story short, they sent me home without it. They were all white. And I kept trying to be patient, but I felt some kind of way. You know, I'm like, I told the lady I was first in line and it's an hour later, why am I still here? And she kept telling me they couldn't find my paperwork, they couldn't find my paperwork. I was hurt. I left there with tears in my eyes, like, they don't even want to vaccinate me and all of this is going on. But I'm not going to let fear stop me. I'm going to fight through whatever I had to fight through to get to the other side.
Doors and room for both to get shots opened in Springdale. Right after getting second doses, this once skeptical pair left empowered and felt protected. Larry Seward, WCPO 9 News.